it remains to be seen, right? Even before COVID, the COVID crisis, clients have been wanting us to be as efficient as possible with our resources. And sometimes when you're hiring professional video crews, it can get really expensive really fast, especially when you're talking about like multiple days and cameras. You really want like the high-end camera package. You want a professional sound mixer on set and location producers, et cetera, et cetera. It gets really, really expensive. So a lot of our clients have been requesting, can we just shoot it on an iPhone? And, I think our industry has been very hesitant to give in to that kind of sentiment for a long time. But now, as mobile phones become better and better, and you can get really good quality images with an iPhone, for example. I think we are starting to invest a little bit more in our mobile device camera package. So we recently bought a rig on B-Script and a tripod and lav mics and all different kinds of equipment to kind of build out our package there. So I think we're going to be a bit better equipped in the future to do that and just be a little bit more efficient. And so, it all just depends on your budget.